Hi guys, it's Miss Helen. Welcome back. So today we're going to show you how to make a 5-ingredient no-bake cheesecake. Okay, so the ingredients that you'll need, of course, cream cheese. You'll need two boxes of cream cheese, 8 ounces. So altogether 16 ounces. You will need 1 lemon, which you will juice. The lemon, you should have about 1/4 of a cup when you're done. I also did the extra step, and you would do this before you have the lemon. Parents, you can zest it as well to add some extra lemon flavor, but this is not necessary. I just like giving it that little extra bit of flavor. And vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla. And the very secret ingredient, well, not so secret, sweetened condensed milk. So it's not evaporated milk, it's very thick and syrupy. This is why you will need no other sugar in this. It is sweet and thick, and it will create this like velvety, creamy cream cheese that you will find in a no-bake cheesecake. So we have that, and then of course we need a graham cracker crust pie tin. You do not have to buy this. You can make this yourself. You can also use cookies if you would like. Some Oreo cookies work really well. I'd say about a cup and a half of Oreo cookies and butter. Melt the butter, mix it together, and you can put it flat in a cake pan. You can also do this with muffin tins, so you can make little cupcakes of these, so you have individual servings. So whatever you want. You're not baking it, so there's no time for you to do this. It will set up in the fridge a lot quicker. So the rest of this will need to set up in the fridge. It'll have to be overnight. So do this a day ahead of time. If you do smaller portions, it'll take a lot less time to set up, so you might be better for you to do it that way. Okay, so first let's get started. We need to beat the cream cheese. So I'm going to put this in my stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can very much well use a hand mixer. I would not suggest just using a whisk, because it is going to be very hard for you to do. So first we're going to do that. I'm going to put this inside our mixer. I have 2 blocks of cream cheese. We're gonna put up the mixer, and then we're gonna set it on. We're gonna set it on about 2 or 3, about 4, until it mixes together. Now we'll add the condensed milk. We're gonna open it. It's very thick, guys, and syrupy. We'll mix it on high again until the cream cheese and the condensed milk, the sweetened condensed milk, are together. So now when you see it come together like that, and it kind of looks like melted ice cream, and you don't see the little bits of cream cheese chunks anymore, that is the perfect time to start adding in your lights. But because the lemon juice is an acid, we want to add it very slowly. We're going to add the lemon zest first. That'll give it the lemon flavor. And we'll add the vanilla, and then we'll slowly incorporate the lemon juice. Okay. Lemon zest. Okay, now that that is completely incorporated, we're going to put it in our graham cracker crust. Like I said, you can also use cookie crumbs. Just break up some cookies in a food processor, or, you know, a great way to get out a lot of kid energy is put it in a Ziploc bag and bang on it until they're little crumbles. You know, and then you can just press that into a cake pan or a pie tin, and that, you know, you can use that as well, or even muffin cups, as I suggested earlier. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. There we go. And try to get all of the filling. So we're gonna put the filling in here, and then we'll put it in the fridge and have it set until tomorrow. Now, if you wanted to add on toppings like cherry pie filling, that's always a go-to that you can get right from a can. You know, or you can make it by hand. That's a great topping to have on cheesecake. You can also put on salted caramel. It's one of my favorites, and some people that I know love that. Okay. Okay. So now that that's in there, okay, so that'll super fill this up. If you don't want it that full, you don't have to have it that full. So we're gonna pop this in the fridge. You cover it, pop it in the fridge, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, it's Miss Helen and Joey's here. So the cheesecake has time to set up nicely. It's been 24 hours. And so we're just gonna cut up a slice and Joey's gonna try it, all right? All right. Let's cut into this cheesecake. It's a little gooey, so.
Here we are.
Okay. All right. You want to try that? And I'll cut myself a slice as well. The first piece is always the hardest piece to cut.
Mm-hmm.
How does that taste?
Mm.
Is it good? Worth it? Would you eat this again?
Mm.
Would you eat this again?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Joey approved, and that's all that really matters. So, if you want to try this, I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. It's super easy, and to all my CV friends, it's only 2 more weeks away, less than 2 weeks away before we see you again. And we can't wait for you guys to come back. So until then, hopefully this is a good way for you guys to see us. And we just want to say we love you guys and we love everybody. And since this is a special day, we also want to say happy Juneteenth to all of my friends out there. And you guys have an awesome day. Bye, guys. Say bye. Enjoy.